This 2016 Fleetwood Flair 29T is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, DVD player, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, stovetop burner, slide-out, auxiliary battery, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2016 Fleetwood Flair 29T is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.